Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Phlogam Forte Tablet. We coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Ltd. Phlogam Forte Tablet. Uses. Phlogam Forte Tablet is mainly used for pain relief. It helps manage pain associated with inflammation and swelling caused by injury, surgery, or daily physical strain. Benefits. Phlogam Forte Tablet is a combination medicine used to relieve pain, inflammation, and swelling. It is helpful in conditions related to trauma, surgery, or everyday wear and tear. It may also be used in degenerative and inflammatory joint conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it promotes faster recovery, improves mobility, and helps maintain a better and more active quality of life when taken as prescribed. Side effects. Like all medicines, Phlogam Forte Tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. Commonly reported side effects include vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, skin rash, or mouth sores. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor promptly. How to use. Take Phlogam Forte Tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It can be taken with or without food. How it works. Phlogam Forte Tablet contains two enzymes, bromelain and trypsin, along with an antioxidant called rudeside. The enzymes increase blood supply to the affected area and help the body produce substances that fight pain and swelling. Rudeside protects the body from harmful free radicals and further reduces inflammation. Together, they help relieve pain, swelling, and support faster healing.